Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to record the means how to download and install the WebTour application. Okay. How to download and install WebTour's sample application. Sample application. Default username and password is username is Jojo. Password is Bean. This is general username password. URL is https://localhost 1080 by default port slash webtools. Okay, this is the general information. First of all, you need to download the webtools application, means a webtour sample application in microfocus. Means previously is called from HP company, now is already select to microfocus. Okay, first of all you need to go to the microfocus, sorry, not microfocus, marketplace, marketplace dot microfocus.com. Okay, this is the normal location. Okay, this is the main location, I mean it's main web page of the marketplace for microfocus. Any one person newly you need to log in this page. You need to, first of all you need to create the account for any user. Okay, I'm already created one dummy account. Okay, that reason I'm already logged in. You also just log into your Gmail ID and just sign in. Once you need to sign in, automatically will log into this page. Okay, you can click on to the app delivery. You can see ARC site ITOM app delivery Fortify and AMC educational central. Okay, you can click on to the first app delivery. This is only required to me. Okay, once you need to click on, you can go to the web tours, web tours sample application. Sample application. Okay, you can search it. You can come, this is one app delivery web tour sample application. Okay, you can click on that. Okay, this is the logo from actually previous versions in LoadRunner by default will become WebTour sample application. Okay, after 2019 onwards, this one will be changed. LoadRunner is separate and this WebTour application is separate. Okay, this is the WebTour sample application. You can go to the down. This is the latest version. Now date is December 15th 2021. Okay, this is very old version only, but this is only sample application will be provided WebTours 1.0. You can click on this download now, the file will be downloaded, but I am not click on, I am already download the my file. Okay, WebTours 1.0 36.8 MB. You can click on, it's downloaded. Okay, I am already downloaded that file. You can see this is the file, that one, WebTours 1.0. You can extract this file. You can right click, you can right click, you can go to the extract files. Okay, I will select OK. Yeah, it's extracted now. This is the WebTools 1.0 general file. Okay, what you will do now, first of all, you need to copy this file totally. You can go any which location you require. You can go to the C drive or go to the any another drives. I'm generally go to this E drives only. I will paste it all my JMeter remaining all the applications. That reason I will give it to this location, E drive only. I will paste it this place. Okay, this web tool we need to open now. First of all, you need to install this one. Okay, Strawberry Perl 1.10.1.0. Just you need to right click that one and you need to install. Yeah, please read this Strawberry Perl license agreement. Is the license just general is there? It not required. You need to select accept and you need to install. It will take just 1 or 2 minutes only, not more than. It's a very small application. Okay, it's going on. I will before you need to extract to the web tool also. You need to allow to the Strawberry. Yeah, it's going on. This is the process for Windows computers only. Linux computers, after I will show you that one also how we need to do. That is also only 7 to 8 steps only. You need to give some commands how we need to install to the directly in Linux operating system. Okay, it's completed. Complete the Strawberry Perl setup wizard. Okay, you can click on finish. It's completed that one. This one is already WebTools. Okay, WebTools is already extracted. This is the WebTools files. You need to open that one. This is the general files. Okay, first you need to go to the config file. There is a config file is there. In config file, http d.config. Okay, this file you need to open. You can check the port only. Okay, not more than open with no, not this one. You can go to the notepad. You can remove this one. Okay, this is generally http d.config file. There's so much of data will become. You can see this one. Listen na, LISTEN listen. Otherwise go to the search means press the control F button. Search bar will become and you need to type the listen. Okay, automatically will become. You need to find out the data. Otherwise little bit scroll down now you can find out. The listen something IP address is there and the listen port number is 1080. This port based only will be work. Okay, anything port anything will be changed or something you need to change, anything will be happen now you need to come and check this place. Okay, port is by default WebTool application 1080 only. Okay, this is by default standard one. Okay, once you need to just for checking, and you can close it. You can go back, and this is the standard server. Okay, it Windows PowerShell script. Windows PowerShell script extension, everything is created to the PS1 dot PS1, but this is everything will created to the Apache server level. That reason that extension is not required. Directly Windows batch file will be created. Okay, just you need to open this file. This command prompt will be open. It will showing starting the WebTools Apache server, something IP address will become, and you need to allow this one Apache server. Okay, once this prompt will be open properly, the server name, you can close it, and you can go to the, I will go to the Internet Explorer. You can open the notepad. Okay, you can take the https://localhost:1080/webtools. Cannot connect securely this page. Okay, just you can remove the yes, and you can try it, that one. Yeah, this is the WebTool application from WebTool sample application in LoadRunner. Okay, anyone you need to try the learning from any tool, not only LoadRunner. For any tool you need to learn. Your WebTool application is by default will become, and you need to practice them. That time only you able to get the good knowledge. Means not only good knowledge, you will show the sample how the application you need to able to do for the performance scripting practicing purpose. But running or load testing anything, you don't run for the higher user load. You can use only 10 user load only. Okay, otherwise application will be crashed. Okay, by default username is Jojo Bean. It's a by default. Okay, application before only will become. Okay, the remaining flows everything is common. You can click on the flight. Yeah, this departure arrival city will become, and you need to select the seat preference and type of seat, and continue. You need to select any one flight and fill up the payment details, and flight ticket is booked. Okay, after go to the, you can select the anything. You need to check itinerary is already booked, Denver to Denver only. Okay, it's just for just showing purpose only. You can go to the home page. This is the Jojo home page, welcome page, and you can go to sign out. Okay, this is general page. Anything new users, not Jojo Bean, you need to create any new users now. You can go to this sign up. Okay, username, password, confirm, first name, last name, street address, city, zip. You can provide remaining details also available. You can continue and provide all the details and create the username and password, and you need to log in. Okay, that is the one. Okay, after anything you need to change it from administrator level, you can go to the administration. Okay, administration page, you need to go, you can check for all the details how you need to use based on your requirement, and what are the things you need to do or anything you need to changing. Okay, based on page level anything, you can, based on that one you need to select and you need to do it. Okay, this is for the Web2 sample application only. It's not for a higher level, but you can practice for 2-3 times now. Yeah, you can get the good knowledge. And this applications based only in real-time applications also, almost just a little bit only change, but almost same only. Performance tester, I mean It's a test engineer or software test engineer, senior test engineer, consultant, SME. After professional also will be doing same only. Everyone will starting from web tour application, and you based on your our experience facing what type of issues, how we need to do, and the learning step by step we will move it. Okay, and what are the people is interested in same application only able to do the functional testing, automation, security also will be doing. That is based on your interest. The application is same, and this is the server. It's mandatory need to run. The server is running na, automatically backend is means this backend is working, this server front end application is working. This application is open based on you need to users anything required, you need to sign up, and administration privileges you need to take this place, and you need to log in and you need to perform the operations, or you can use the load runner tool or JMeter or neoload or login VSI or Oracle Votes, Gatling, Locust, Tsung. There are so many tools, but most of the companies will looking for only open source only. Okay, you can check for job sites anything. Most preference is open source tools, and freelancing websites, Upwork.com. Remaining there is so many sites in online very highly trusted. That sites also will looking for only open source only. Okay, most of the people. Okay, but banks is different. Banks and financial sector, stock market, and large organizations, you will mandatory you can use the only licensed tools only. But most job means who are the people is working from employee level. Okay, that people is mostly preferred to the open source tools. You need to learn a minimum 2 3 open source tools na you able to get the job easily, and not only performance for anywhere. Okay, just for idea purpose only I will explain. Yeah, this web tour application point of view, this is only for setup. You need to download it to the, you can go to this location, marketplace.microfocus.com. Okay, I'm already typed this one. It's not available. Marketplace.microfocus.com. You can go and sign up the page. After you can go to the it's not showing this place, app delivery. Okay, there is a one place will become in app delivery. You can select and search the web tour sample application. Okay, you can click on this page will become, you can go to the down and you can download this place. After you can go to the downloaded pages, you can extract the file, and two files will become. First, Strawberry Perl, you need to install that one and go to the web tool page. This web tool page, start the server. Okay, check the anything from port numbers. This one config page, you can go to config, httpd.config. You can open it through notepad. It will showing 1080 port number. You need to checking that one and start the server, and you can go to the any browser, Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, anything. You can type the http colon double backward slash localhost colon 1080 slash webtours backward slash. The page will be open. Okay, by default username password is Jojo Bean sample application. Okay, yeah, that's all guys. Thank you very much.